Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to fix ORA-54016 error in Oracle database 12c. So here you can see that I have logged into the SQL facilitator as a common user called c#scott. So make sure that you have enough permission to execute all the queries. So here I am going to create one table called marks, which contains max, physics, max, physics, total is the sum of max plus physics. Okay, now let me create the table. Okay, ORA-54016 invalid column expression was specified. So you can see the total column, the expression itself wrong one. So I am correcting the expression now. I am correcting the total column expression. Okay, total columns expression. So this is a valid expression. So in your SQL or PLSQL code, check whether you have provided the valid expression, valid column expression. Okay, this is the fix for ORA-54016 error.